In this video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to connect a wired mouse, okay, to a phone. For this video, we're actually using a Redmi Note 14 as the phone. So this is what you're going to need. One, a USB-C hub. So this USB-C hub actually allows you to connect to the phone, okay, this one, and then has numerous ports with which you can actually connect the wired mouse. This is what you're going to do. So first of all, get the end of the wired mouse. You're going to have to unplug it within the hub. You notice that it has a USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and then it has the USB 2.0 as well. So the difference is basically in the speeds and all that. So get this, you plug into the what? Into the slot. This is the end of the USB, this one. So we plug it into the spot right there. Okay. Now you're going to use the USB-C hub. This end is Type C. The phone has a USB-C port. So get this, plug it in right here. Okay. Okay. Now that is the USB-C hub connected. You can see right there. Now this is the mouse. Okay. You can see it's already lighting. When you look at the phone, you will see that cursor moving. Okay. Now you can actually use the mouse to navigate the phone. Okay, see the cursor is on settings, navigate settings, as you can actually see right there. And that is the setup we're having. We're having the USB-C hub, we're having the mouse, the wired mouse. So, and that's how you connect the wired mouse to the phone. As simple as that. Big value in such content, also subscribing to our YouTube channel. Catch you in the next one.